Hi everybody, I'm here to tell you about the Measuring Matter Challenge. So go ahead and follow along with me and these slides. I'll show you where you can see this presentation for when you need it in class. So our unit number 2 is focused on accurately measuring different properties of matter. So this is very important so that we can study the changes that are going on in matter and effectively communicate what we find to others. So doing this requires appropriate tools and methods. So this Measuring Matter Challenge is to practice and review using these tools and methods. So basically, other person measuring challenges. So your mass, you're going to move on to you and to this slide. Click here. It will open up. You'll be asked to make a copy. It will open up the activity sheet for challenge number 1. So you're going to go through the practice, basically. You already did the learning, and then you'll do the practice. There'll be stations around the room for you to practice measuring mass. Okay, and you're going to add this to your Google Drive, organized, of course, in a science folder, probably in Unit 2, and then measuring challenge. We can talk about that in class, but basically you're going to complete this, and then you'll show it to me. Okay? So then, if we move on to, if you complete challenge 1, you'll move on to challenge 2, measuring volume of a liquid. Again, you'll do the learn section. Links that you need are all in the slide. The practice section, and then the formal feedback section, which is the quiz. Okay? And then there's the same learn, practice, assessment for challenge 3 and for challenge 4. Okay? So basically, you will move through the challenges at your own pace until you pass, and then you can move on to the next one. You may work with one other person, except for the assessments, or you may work alone. Okay, so where can I find these slides? Well, in 2 places. If you go to the Cycle Planner, this is Cycle Planner 1. Here it is, Introduce Measure Matter Challenge. So if you click here, it will open up this Google Slide presentation. Also, you can go to Moodle. If you scroll down, now you can see Unit 2, Measuring Matter. It has our essential questions, lines of inquiry, and the Measuring Matter Challenge. So right here is where you can also find these slides. And you do need these slides to be able to access the links for each challenge. Okay, so you don't need to start today. Today's goal, remember, is to understand the Measuring Matter Challenge. Okay, so go ahead and make sure you understand what it is we're going to do over the next week or so and where to find the information. So next time you come to class, you can just get started, okay? And now at the end, don't forget to go here and take the Google Form quiz over today's lesson. Alrighty, thanks a lot, and I'll see you in class.